Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Before we start, my humble request to you, please watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out anything, and share your feedback in the comments section. This is very important and valuable for any YouTuber in understanding the viewers and in making any fine-tuning in the content or quality of the video. Now let's jump into the topic. Once again, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I'm going to share about an application that will make your affiliate marketing so easy that you cannot just imagine. And the name of the application is GetSnatchit. Yes, you heard it correct, it's GetSnatchit. From now on you can promote any affiliate program, whether it is ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon, AliExpress or any for the matter. Okay, now who can use this? This is a very simple and easy to use application and without any complication. It can be used by affiliate marketers, bloggers, email marketers or anyone into social media marketing. Some best highlight of this application is no installation required. No need to pay hosting or domain fee. No website required. Snatchit is brand new cloud software. It hosts everything for you, that lets you place your affiliate link, offer, or product on top of other people's websites, with zero work. It can hijack those reputed sites, including CNN, BBC or even Wikipedia, and shows any visitor your own ad. You can create and customize what the visitor sees from dozens of templates, for affiliate offers, your own products, opt-in forms, even videos. The software does all the work for you, get easy sales, get free traffic, and yes, even if you're a complete newbie, instantly puts any link in front of hundreds of hungry buyers. The formula for crazy online success is simple. All you need is targeted traffic. And tons of it. Yes, it's simple. But the catch is, that's not easy. You see, to do that usually requires creating tons of content. And that's expensive and time-consuming. The software legally hijacks already working websites and lets you link on top of them. This amazing app getting targeted traffic fast and easy. And nothing else is needed. 1. No experience. 2. No tech skills. 3. Nothing else. Nothing else to buy. Just 4 steps is all it takes. 1. Log into the software. 2. Enter any website link. 3. App converts it to a ready-to-use video. 4. Upload to YouTube for easy first page rankings. Ready to put your link in front of thousands of rabid buyers instantly? And this comes with a one-time fee of $14.59, let's say $15, no renewal fee, lifetime free. It is a small investment. So if you wish to get it, go ahead. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I will back with another video. Till then, bye and take care.